Hi, hello, how are you all? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world. Today I am going to explain RPA UiPath Document Management Workshop. I am Srinivas. I have total 18 plus years of experience in IT industry, 10 plus years of experience as an architect, and last 5 years I have been in RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Recently I established my own new IT startup, Future Tech Solutions, with aim to become one of the global IT service provider. Nowadays, every enterprise dealing with so many incoming and outgoing documents. And these are different types of documents, and volume also very huge. Every day, every week, every month, different kinds of documents, huge documents, they're getting in and out. And these documents are structured documents, semi-structured documents, and unstructured documents. Dealing with all these documents manual is very tedious to every enterprise beyond certain count. So now I am going to discuss on how to deal with these documents using RPA, Robotic Process Automation. In RPA, UiPath come up with excellent document understanding framework, and it resolves any kind of document which come into and going out from the industry. So UiPath come up with excellent UiPath Intelligent OCR along with the document understanding framework. That framework contains pre-processing steps, post-processing steps, processing steps. During this, and it will document will undergo various stages. There's the taxonomy, digitization, classification, extraction, validation, export, and training. So these are all different document stages. So the document should undergo all these stages, and we come up with a template and which going to run all the documents. So next week I am going to conduct workshop on RPA for document management, and there I am going to explain each and every step elaborately how UiPath document management framework deals with all these different types of documents, and all these steps. In every step, what is the input, what is the output, and output of these stages, how it is input to the next step, and any document, any kind of documents, if we input to the UiPath system, how it is dealing, and extract the required defined data from each document type, and give the output as our requirement. And I am going to discuss everything in details on RPA UiPath document management workshop that's going to conduct in next week. For more details, for registering, for more details on registration, please check below description and register for the workshop to know more about RPA UiPath document management system. Thank you very much. See you on